Important issue that we always talk about is the AP Reorganization Act. And since the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh, almost 10 years have passed, sir, I would like to present a report card in front of the central government for these 10 years by dividing it into two terms, sir. One when TDP was in power in the state government and one when YSRCP is in power in the state government. So the first 5 years when TDP was there, sir, in this very house, we have discussed a lot of issues, and considering the AP Reorganization Act, some of the important issues, how it differed in the first term and the second term, I would like to explain it to the House, sir. One important issue that we had when we were stepping as a new state was building of the new capital, sir. And we had a challenge of building up the new capital. The then Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, CBN, took it upon himself, and he pulled in a land of 30,000 acres from the farmers, and we have did the foundation stone along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also for the capital city of Amaravati, sir. And it happened on a Shubh Divas of Vijay Dashami. We did the foundation stone, and we created a lot of pride in the capital city of Amaravati. And in the next term, after YCP has come to power, it has created a nutshell mad idea of creating 3 capitals. And right now we are ended up with no capital at all. Now Amaravati has been, the farmers of Amaravati has been protesting for 1500 days, sir. In this very country, farmers have been protesting for 1500 days, but they have been beaten, they have been arrested, they have been insulted, and that is the situation that Amaravati is going through today. And RBI itself has said that if the state government of Andhra Pradesh can tell us where the capital is, then we can establish the headquarters. That is the sad situation of Andhra Pradesh today, sir. Another important issue within the AP Reorganization Act is the creation of new railway zone. When TDP was in power, we used to fight day in and day out. And by the end of that term, sir, in 2019, February, the central government announced for the creation of a new railway zone. Now the new government comes up in the state. It is their responsibility now to follow up on that and to make it operational, the new railway zone. But today, after 4 years and 9 months, 52 acres have to be given to the railway department for the establishment of, sir. Sir, I've just mentioned you how 30,000 acres have been pulled up for creation of a new capital. Now the state government is not even able to give 52 acres for creation of a new capital zone, sir, for creation of a railway zone. That is the status of Andhra Pradesh today. Educational institutions were also mentioned. Sir, 2 minutes, I'll wrap up.
1 minute.
Educational institutions were also mentioned in the AP Reorganization Act. Under TDP's rule, IIM, IIT, ISR, NIT, Central Tribal University, land was given, thousands of acres, and almost 1,000 crores worth of compound walls have also been built and given to the central government, sir. But today, after the change in government in the state, not a single building has been completed. All the students have been robbed from having their permanent campuses and trying to complete with a lot of dignity in their campuses, sir, but not a single campus has been finished. When we asked the central government why the AIIMS construction is getting delayed, the answer was given in the parliament itself saying that there is no availability of sand in the state, sir. So that is the situation of Andhra Pradesh.
Yes,
and then other important projects. Sir, you just give me 2 minutes this time.
Minute,
this one time, sir. I am sure next time TDP is going to come up with a lot bigger number, and I won't have any problem with time. But this one time, sir, in the
then
last budget speech,
in the next time.
Give us 1 minute. 1 minute I am wrapping up. 1 minute.
Yes.
Polavaram.
Conclude.
1 minute concluding, sir. Polavaram, national project, 72% completed under TDP's rule. Only 7% progress under YCP rule, sir. Jobs, almost 5 lakh jobs created under TDP rule. And now not a single notification from the government. They say job calendar, they say mega DSC, not a single job has been given, and even the private companies which are trying to come to Andhra Pradesh